cute. Exactly. Mom.
On my skin, it's coming down. Me and all my girls keep it lit when we come through. We can buy a table in the bar if we want to. Don't be trying to front, cause this ain't what you used to. Ladies in the building.
Don't tell us who came to choreography every day. And you're all like, oh, I don't want to show my butt, but I'll leave it back open.
Yeah, I'm like, I feel like I was in an action movie.
No! No, that's fine! Allie, give me your face.
No. I wanted to stay.
Listen to your mom.
Oh my god, you're 2 days older than me.
You have a scratch on your face. You can't get infected before the video. I don't think they're gonna be like, fuck you, you know? They're gonna be like, cool, she wore something that isn't a sweatshirt. You know what your fans are doing today? Because they think that something's happening and they're on to us. They're now digging through everything that I've ever done and like pulling up all the old embarrassing videos of me singing your songs and stuff. And like me like dressed as you and they're like cleaning it. That's so cute. Live from LA. Live from LA. Live from LA. Live from LA. Where it never hurts.
Speeding. I'm scared. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What is the line? What's the line?
Live from California, where it never rains. This is Ariana Grande.
It's coming.
Live from California.
One more time.
Okay. Live from Los Angeles, where it never rains. It's Ariana Grande. Live from... Okay.
And living in a world where no one's innocent. Days later, we're still experiencing the wrath of this monsoon shitfuck.
Just the other day, we saw the beginning of this here storm. Fuck. What's next? Find new green duck.